To start the Tchaikovsky excerpt, the technique is in some ways the reverse of starting In These Delightful Pleasant Groves and Scheherazade. Instead of starting up, we start down, or basically at kind of the floor level of our pattern. And then we lift for the passive beat, and then we drop, breathe, click, and perhaps left hand for the active beat. So, we start down, da 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 dum, etc. We can add our left hand to that. Da 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 dum. And lots of different variations on this. If we want to add a few more beats for tempo security, we would, in this case, we can still drop down 1 2 1 is what we'll show as opposed to 2 1 2 1. That's in some ways is the reverse of what we did for the other exercises, but I still think it makes sense to start relatively up and we go drop to da 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 dum, or drop to da 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 dum. So the key again is to have, for starting up for this, we passive, passive, active. Da dee da dum. If we're starting just with 2 beats, a passive and an active beat, we start down, passive, da dee da dum. For this, for lifting for the passive beat, be careful. It's easy to have a sense of click or hot stove effect that'll be an active, an active effect. So we don't want da dee da dum, which can often happen. So we just simply need to lift and then create an active beat. So lift, da dee da dum. And if we can make a big distinction between the two, breath, click, left hand, eye contact, and all this good stuff, we'll be able to show the entrance pretty clearly.